It is in the Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament in Pampanga. And welcome to the 2024 to 20 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Asia, born 2001 inaugural season champions. The Pampanga Delta, as we can see here, Speedy Harvey Salvador, one of the players for 2001 inaugural season, trying to give the Florida Blanca their redemption. At ito, makakatapat nila dito. Itong si Kian de la Cruz and the rest of the Bayung Masantol team wanting to extend this game into a game number 2 tomorrow. Game at hand, ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca kontra Bayung Masantol. Isang magandang gabi po sa inyo mga kabalan. Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with the Chief, Enzo Galarosa.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, Penelope, and magandang gabi sa lahat ng kabalan na nakatutok ngayon. One last game for this Saturday quadruple header, and very interesting to watch. And especially, speaking of watch, you can watch this game live on Pampanga PIO Facebook page. Na dito para makita kung sino bang mananalo. And syempre also ang Pampanga _PIO YouTube channel, as well as Sinag Liga Asia's YouTube channel, ang Sinag Liga TV. Dahil nga, ito na yung actually yung last 2 days ng ating quarterfinals one. Kasi may tomorrow, we have a do or die Sunday.
But no, let's take a look kung nasaan ba itong dalawang team na to na maglalaban para ngayong gabi.
Well, we can see nga, magkabilang dulo sila ng listahan dito for Bracket B. Ang ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca, the number 1 seeded team for Bracket B. Samantala itong Bayung Masantol at the 8th spot. Dun sila nakapwesto ngayon with a 4-5 record. So, let's see if they can be giant slayers itong Bayung Masantol kontra nga dito sa Florida Blanca.
But now let's take a pag-usapan muna natin our game story for this ball game. Both ends meet.
Yes, both ends meet dahil nga top to bottom parang may palindrome na nangyayari dito sa dalawang komponen na to, and very interesting to see what will happen. Can Masantol become giant slayers, or will Florida Blanca continue their dominance dito sa ating Delta Cup?
And of course, hindi na natin ito patatagalin pa. Coming up is the battle between ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca kontra Bayung Masantol. And now I'm turning you over to our arena announcer, Ram Valid, for our Delta Cup starters of the game.
Good evening once again, Delta Cup fans, and welcome to BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament Playoffs. Presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partners Sinag Liga Asia. Catch the live action at Pampanga Public Information Office, every page and YouTube channel. Our last game for tonight, it's the battle between ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca and your Bayung Masantol. And now let's meet the starters for both teams. First for your Florida Blanca. Point guard number 15, Luis Serrano. Shooting guard number 25, Aldrin Serrano. Small forward number 5, Kerwin Bonanzala. Power forward number 11, Clyde Alcano. And center number 26, Bert Lyer. Head coach for Florida Blanca is Beans Patrick Ikband. Assistant coaches Jason Sundiam, Odyssey Sundiam, Darren Manansala and Kevin Serrano. Team owner, Honorable Mayor Darwin Manalansan. Your Florida Blanca. And now let's meet the starters for your BAYUNG MASANTOL. Starting at guard number 0, Joshua Cortez. Also at guard number 11, Kian De La Cruz. At forward number 23, Charles Zusi. Also at forward number 25, Yang Francisco. And center number 6, Alan Zuga. Head coach for BAYUNG MASANTOL is Andre Lacop. Assistant coaches, Rap Bustos, Joshua Dizon, Nico Campo, and Paolo Sigua. Your BAYUNG MASANTOL. Game officials charged in action, Anthony Roque, Jong Panayat, and Dennis Escaros. This is the Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. We are one.
The starters for Florida Blanca, Manansala, Alquero, Serrano, Aldrin Serrano, and Luis Serrano, and together with Layug at para sa panig ng BAYUNG MASANTOL, Cortez, Sunga, De La Cruz, Uzi, at Francisco. Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with Enzo Galarosa and MJ Raimundo on the sidelines.
Yes, and very interesting to see nga what will happen in this ball game. Kasi if you look at BAYUNG MASANTOL, they don't look like a 6-seed team, especially with this man holding the basketball. A very talented player, ito si Kian De La Cruz. But ito talagang Florida Blanca, they're an elite team. Isipin mo, sa 9 games na nilaro nila, isang beses lang sila nakatikim ng talo. That's their opening, but Aldrin Serrano.
To open our ball game, 3-point shot from Aldrin Serrano and Enzo. Kanina na nag-warm up itong dalawang team na to, hindi tayo magkarinigan.
I doubt na magkakarinigan pa tayo mamaya.
Let's see kapag nag-init pa ang dalawang koponan na to.
Ito na mga, nagtitilihan na agad yung mga fans eh. First quarter pa lang to ah.
Balik ang bola. Kian De La Cruz. That is short for De La Cruz.
And that's why itong si Luis Serrano is on the floor. He starts to defend itong si Kian De La Cruz.
Ito na. Nagsisimula na.
Yun din yata yung laban, hindi lang yung mga players sa floor eh. Pati yung mga
Yung
drums naglalaban din eh.
Serrano. Balik kay Kerwin Manansala on a drive. Kerwin Manansala. Very unusual miss for Kerwin Manansala.
Well, kaliwang kamay eh. Right-handed player siya. Minsan, when you shoot with your offhand, mahirapan ka talaga ng konti if you're not used to it. Ito, tumatakbo na naman ang mga nakaputi.
Serrano, one-hand shot. No good. Pero rebound pa din dito. Manansala. Was guarded by 3 men. No, 1 versus 3 Naging labanan dyan. You can see here, Coach Vince Ekban.
One of the youngest head coaches, I believe 22, 23 years old pa lang ata si Coach Vince.
Balik ang bola kay Francisco.
Offensive foul. Look at that. This is what I like about Coach Vince Ekman, the attention to detail on the defensive end. Although nakakuha sila na stop doon, ng turnover, naka-force sila ng turnover, hindi niya nagustuhan yung coverage doon sa pick and roll. The attention to detail for this young coach is so good. Yung potential ni Coach Vince Ekman to become a better coach someday, sobrang taas eh. Napaka-genius na coach. And like I said, 23 years old, di ba?
And he was part of the national champion teams, the Pampanga Pradera theme park.
No, Pampanga Delta.
Pampanga Delta, rather. Together with one of the players for San Simon.
Yes,
earlier.
si Dungo and si Angeles. Teammates. And also, kanina si Delfino sa Lubao.
That's a 3-0 run. 7 minutes and 41 seconds.
Rob! There you go. I knew it.
Layug. 5-0 run. 7 minutes and 33 seconds left.
Sa sobrang ingay dito sa arena, hindi na narinig yung timeout buzzer, di ba?
Take a look back here. His first field goal of the ball game, care of Aldrin Serrano. And that pass from Serrano Layug makes this ball game 5-0 run for Florida Blanca. As timeout on the floor.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Going back, Kian de la Cruz. 7 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Francisco. Nice pass. Trying to go for a 3. Kian de la Cruz.
Traffic na traffic sa ilalim, oh. Wala kang madaanan.
And so this is not the usual starters for Florida Blanca.
Yes, and that's the adjustment.
Florida Blanca being all out on his starters.
Normally off the bench itong si Layug at saka si Luis Serrano. And also, Aldrin Serrano, their games na off the bench siya. Pero finally for Bayung Masantol. And there you go, the fans. Nakikipag-asara na din.
7-3, a 4-point lead for Florida Blanca. It's Aldrin Serrano. What a move, but that is short for Serrano. Rebound by Layug. Back to Aldrin Serrano once again.
Good
From
move.
underneath. He's guarded by 2.
Smart play right there. Galing dito kay Francisco to throw it off Alquero.
7-3. Still a 4-point lead for Florida Blanca. Kakaiba yung intensity ng
Drums.
drums dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center.
Good attack. Nga lang, haba talaga nito ni Jean Layug. Really good rim protector.
Another 3-point shot from the same corner. No. Rebound by Kerwin Manansala. Layug. There's a whistle. Steps out of the line.
Masyado malaki size 13 neto ni Layug. And you know, the rising sun, itong si Jean Layug.
Kian de la Cruz on the basketball. Back to Francisco. Balik kay Suma.
Good double team.
Aldrin Serrano against Kian de la Cruz.
What a matchup that is. Two high scorers. Good block.
Bigla na lang lumitaw doon yung mga defenders ng Bayong Masantol.
And still Kian de la Cruz 0 for 3.
On the rebound. Aldrin Serrano.
Good pass.
Wow! What a pass from Aldrin Serrano.
Look at that. The entire bench ng Florida Blanca up in arms. Beautiful dime right here. Galing dito kay Serrano. All the way to the cutting Serrano. Serrano to Serrano
Pizza
connection.
niya,
Oo.
ito.
Kahit magkadugo naman pala. Kasi kaya naman pala magandang amuyan ng dalawa. Aldrin
Grabe
to
yung
Luis.
connection.
Oo.
9-3 with 5 minutes and 10 as Luis Serrano on the 15-footer line.
Wow, he was running back down. Even before the ball hit the rim, alam niya pasok yung free throw niya. That's
Kahit pa
confidence.
binibigyan siya ng pressure dito. Kian de la Cruz guarded by one of the Serrano. 3-point shot, in and out. For Inigo Cunanan. Oh, nice dive. Kerwin Manansala on a beautiful underneath.
Grabe, look at that. No transition defense para dito sa Masantol. And Manansala just capitalizing on that opening.
Kian de la Cruz.
Again.
Para steal. Walang bantay. What will he do?
Good defense by Kian.
Hindi niya hinayaang malibre.
Oh,
Si Manansala.
look at that pressure defense right here. Suffocating defense galing dito sa Florida Blanca.
Dalawang Serrano ulit. Almost a miss. Pasa ulit kay Luis Serrano. Back to Alquero. Napalakas na ang pasa dito. Layug.
I cannot hear anything.
Kaya nga eh.
Now look at that, Coach Vince Icban. Actually, ito bang nakagulat dito. Coach Vince Icban, we said part of that national champion Pampanga Delta team. He is teammates with the pride of Masantol, Pampanga, the young skyscraper himself, Kevin Santos, who unfortunately is ineligible for this tournament for all the right reasons.
Kian de la Cruz. What a nice,
Layog might have gotten hurt there. He was holding on to his hip.
almost a nice rejection for Layog, but there was a whistle.
Ito, Layog will be paired up with his point guard sa Hustle
And there
Rising
you
Suns.
have it. Speedy Harvey Salvador checks in. Together with Glenn Gregorio.
Pero ito, this is where Kian de la Cruz should take advantage of yung higpit ng depensa sa kanya, maalat shooting niya. Dito siya dapat kumuha ng rhythm to the free throw line early on.
Speaking of rhythm, pasok ang pangalawang free throw ni Kian de la Cruz. Nakita kita, nagulat ka. Sabi mo 3 minutes na lang yung meron tayo.
Oo, nagulat ako eh. Pagtingala ako, 3 minuto na lang pala. Akala ko mga 6 minutes pa eh.
Shaquille Arena to Speedy Harvey Salvador. Oh, nakagawan doon si Speedy
Kickball.
Harvey.
Kickball. Kaya siya nagawa kasi nasipa yung bola pala.
14 seconds on the shot clock, but now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa kanyang first quarter report. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Ben. Two teams are in Glen for tonight. Tiwala sa players, yun ang unang word na sinabi ni head coach Vince Patrick Icban of Florida Blanca habang kausap ko siya. Pinaghahandaan daw nila itong laban na to at para sa kanya interest sa team niya ang magiging way nila para hindi na daw bumalik tomorrow. Maglalaro kami para sa bayan ng Florida Blanca, dagdag pa ni coach. While on the other team, we need to all out every quarter according to head coach Alder Lacap of Masantol. Ayaw pa namin isipin yung game 2 because we are one game at a time. If magawa namin ng maayos yung depensa namin, ma-execute yung play namin sa trainings, then everything will run easily. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ. You know, for Coach Vince Icban, trust.
Yes.
And Enzo, one of the head coach ng NCAA coach, Gilbert Malabano, who played for Sinag Lakas 40, he mentioned to
The
me
MVP.
that trust is the vital component of
Yes.
teamwork in basketball.
Yes, and also, diba, being a national champion himself, he knows how this all works. Na-experience niya na to. He has traveled to Cebu and won that national title that we were talking about earlier. Alam niya eh. And may tiwala sa kanya. Yung age difference niya sa mga players niya, di ba, is very slim. Parang age difference nga lang natin dalawa eh. Halos ganun na yung diferensya nila. And yet, yung tiwala niya sa players niya, and also yung tiwala na binabalik ng players sa kanya na kahit 1, 2, 3 years lang ang diferensya nila sa edad, nire-respeto nila si Coach Vince Icban as a head coach. And like I said nga, I believe that he will one day become one of the best minds in all of Philippine basketball. 23 years old, ganito mag-coach, the attention to detail. Coach Vince Icban, I really salute you. At saludo rin ako sa galaw na yun ni Shaq Orina.
What a move from Shaquille Arena. And let's take a look back sa sinabi din dito ni Coach Aldre Lacap of Bayang Masantol, Enzo. One game at a time and
Yes.
all out every quarter.
That should be your mentality if you're Bayong Masantol. Take it one game at a time. Huwag nyo nang isipin na, oh, pag nanalo tayo, may laro pa tayo next time. Isipin nyo, kailangan yung manalo ngayon. Kasi yun naman talaga yung situation. And speaking of situation, Kian de la Cruz down on the floor holding onto his head.
And it's a bad sign
Oo.
for Bayang Masantol because Kian de la Cruz is one of the top scorers.
Of the entire league, di ba? Of the
Not
entire
only
league,
for
not
his
of
team.
Masantol, but of the entire league. He's shaken up a little bit.
It's 2 minutes and 10 seconds left. 15-4, 11-point lead for Florida Blanca as we take a look back on what happened to Kian de la Cruz. Oh,
Yun. Nakumpog siya sa
that is
pagbagsak
so
niya.
painful as we take a look at that replay.
He has to be checked out. He has to be checked by the medical staff here. So,
Kanina pagtingin natin, 3 minutes and 39. Ngayon, 2 minutes na.
Oo.
Parang
Bilis din.
pinag-usapan lang natin doon yung report ni MJ.
Totoo. As ito si Carl Soriano comes in, replacing yun nga si Kian de la Cruz. But for Bayong Masantol, don't look at this as a 1 versus 8 matchup. Look at this as you have the biggest fish of them all. And if you beat itong Florida Blanca, who has the best record of the entire league, hindi lang sa bracket P. The entire Delta Cup 2024, sila ang best record dito, the best team after the elimination round. Pag natalo nyo to, na-eliminate nyo sila, that is a huge, huge confidence booster for them.
Actually, kasi nung nag-miss ni Shaki Lorina yung 3-point shot niya doon, ha? Nagulat ako doon kasi last game nila on the elimination, grabe yung pinakita niya ni Shaki Lorina.
Yes. And Shaq Orina is a really, really good shooter. At the same time, defender. Speaking of defense, di ba? Like I said, right on cue. Basang-basa niya yun yung passing lane doon. Saan pupunta yung bola. As I said, really pesky defender itong si Shaq Orina.
As hindi na control dito ni Inigo Cunanan. So yung sideline inbound.
Look at Coach Aldre Lacapab. Medyo bata rin, young looking din si Coach
Parang
Aldre.
magkaedad lang sila ni
Magkaedad
Coach
di ba?
Vincent.
So two young coaches ang naglalaban dito sa Delta Cup, di ba? So clear moving screen right there by John Tayag.
17-5, 12-point lead for Florida Blanca, the biggest lead of the ball game. Soriano, balik ang bola kay Uzi. Pinasa niya kay Francisco. There's a whistle after that attempt from Francisco.
Great unselfish play galing dito kay Carl Uzi. Charles Uzi, ibang team pala si Carl Uzi, sorry. Si Charles Uzi. Pwede na niya iangat yun eh. You're in the middle of the floor. Nasa gitna ka ng ring, tututok mo na lang yun. But nakita niya, nasabayan siya. Drop pass ko to sa kakampi ko. Unselfish plays, and that's why Bayung Masantol is here in the playoffs.
58 seconds is left. What a first quarter. Quite so fast. Despite the pressure, Francisco is able to knock that second shot.
I would like to also give credit sa mga drummers, ha. Resistensya nila, nakakatambol. Hindi
pa yan.
napapagod yung kamay nila.
During
Mahirap
the
yun, ha.
pregame huddle.
Oo, mahirap yan, ha.
Speedy Harvey.
Good tap right there. Ow.
17-6 with 34 seconds remaining. 21 on the shot clock, 34 seconds on the game clock. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ng Bayong Masantol. Nokian de la Cruz. Ang layo
Layo.
nun. That is too strong. Rebound by Orina. Orina to Gregorio. That is too strong. Kerwin Manansala. 12 seconds.
Go, you have the numbers. There you go.
What an easy move for Bayong Masantol. For LM de la Cruz.
Good attack and good finish para dito sa Bayong Masantol.
What a first quarter run for both teams. Take a look back at our first quarter highlights.
Beautiful lob play there from Soriano to Layuk. Neto na naman Aldrin Serrano na naman. Aatake. Nang-aatake to. He will drive, he will kick, he will dish. He will do everything for Florida Blanca. So is also itong si Shaq Orina. The two guards, the normally starters. The starting backcourt normally ni Coach Vincent Van. Orina came off the bench, leading the way para dito sa Florida Blanca. That's why they're up 70-8 after the end of the first period.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Mga kasinag, Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams for interested teams. Please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia, dahil napakalapit na ng Junior World Showcase natin.
Of course, there are teams that already confirmed that they are joining. Pampanga Delta, Hustle Rising Suns, with one Kapampangan, Paranaque Pelicans, together with the brand new team.
Oh, wow!
And speaking of brand new, that brand new move
And look at that!
from Gian de la Cruz coming off again for BAYUNG Masantol.
Look at that power drive dito ni Gian de la Cruz. Chest to chest. I always say, put your shoulder into the chest ng defender. Kay de la Cruz ang ginawa niya. Put his chest in the defender's chest and just barrel through. You have to be very, very athletic to do that.
Nauntog pa yan, Enzo.
Oh, nauntog pa yan. Hilo pa yan, ha? But lucky for him, di ba, na he's okay. Hindi niya kailangan pumasok ng concussion protocol from the medical staff, di ba?
PD Harvey. There is a foul
There's two things.
against Carl Soriano.
You either, pag ikaw bumabantay kay Harvey Salvador, you either do two things. Anticipate mo na lang kung saan siya pupunta kasi masyado siya mabilis. Or pangalawa, yun, foulin mo. Atakin mo na. Hindi may iiwanan at may iiwanan ka ni Harvey.
Kaya talaga tawag mo doon Speedy Harvey.
Oo.
Sa'yo ko nakuha yun.
Parang si Coach Speedy Gonzales, di ba? Ng Taytay J Project. Traveling violation
on Glenn
there.
Gregorio.
That's not really Glenn Gregorio's game. Hindi siya attacker, hindi siya slasher. He's normally a spot-up shooter. And magaling siya basket cut, but with the basketball, he normally is just a shot creator, not really known for his drive. So that time, sinut down nito BAYUNG Masantol yung shooting space niya. Na-force nila siya to attack. But look at that jumper. Charles Uzi with the jumper.
From the biggest lead of the ball game of 12. Baba sa 5. At kung mabilis ang first quarter natin, medyo mabagal ito ating second quarter. It's a traveling violation again, committed. And the crowd goes wild and wild as we are approaching 8 minutes and 50 seconds of this ball game. Great D for BAYUNG Masantol.
Pumuntik na yun. Steal ni Harold Lopez.
There's a whistle once again and foul.
Foul on Yen
Yeng
Francisco. Ang Jean Layog. Nagulat siya eh. Bigla siya natulak sa labas eh.
Balik ang bola sa Florida Blanca. Serrano to Kerwin Manansala. Balik again kay Luis Serrano for 3.
That looked good. Short lang eh, pero diretso-diretso yung tira niya. That's maturity. Yung depensa na yun ni Jean Layog, that shows maturity. Nung nakita natin siya last August nung Sinag Liga Asia for 2001 Cup, pagpapasa sa bantay niya ganun sa poste, susundot siya sa gusto niyang makakuha ng steal. That time, he just held his hand up and just waited for the defender, or the offensive player to make a mistake.
Seven minutes and 51 seconds. Natatahimik ako sa ingay ng mga drums.
And look at Layog there, reading the passing lane again.
Oh, Aldrin Serrano being dominant on that move.
Right back at you. Kaninang first quarter, binigyan ng alley-oop play ni Aldrin Serrano si Layog. This time, binigyan ng outlet naman ni Jean Layog si Aldrin Serrano.
That is what MJ Raimundo mentioned on her report earlier. The trust of each other nitong Florida Blanca gives them, or stated kung bakit sila ang nasa top seed ng bracket B with 8 wins and 1 loss. As that shot from Kerwin Manansala, alarms coach Aldrey Laca calls a timeout. It's 7 minutes and 11 seconds as we take a look back here. Aldrin Serrano to Kerwin Manansala. After that shot, it alarms head coach Aldrey Laca. It's time out on the floor, 23-12.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024. Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
11-point lead advantage. Of course, sa mga kabalin po na hindi makakapunta dito sa ating BREN GUIAO Convention Center, pwede nyo rin po tutukan itong ating Delta Cup sa ating Facebook at Pampanga PIO. We're back 7 minutes and 9 seconds. Of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, Councilor Darren Manalansan of Bayung Masantol. Florida Blanca rather.
Easy layup doon para dito kay Kerwin Manansala.
Back-to-back score for Kerwin Manansala.
Scorer siya. Wow! Good evasion job there by Kian, pero hindi nga lang niya na-score.
25-12, 13-point lead, the biggest lead of the ball game. The substitution on the floor.
Look at the substitution patterns from both coaches. Gusto nila laging fresh legs on the floor. A little bit of dip of energy. Lalabas ka agad nila. They want to keep up this pace. Two of the fastest teams in the entire league. Itong dalawa naglalaban.
Jumper. It's good. For Bayung Masantol.
Usi na naman. So si Usit ang umi-score dito for Bayung Masantol instead of Kian de la Cruz.
He was one of the dominant players. Haba ng kamay doon ni Layog. Almost a steal. Five minutes and 56 seconds. 25-14. Enzo, kung ang first quarter natin napakabilis.
Yes.
The second quarter seems like so extended.
Of course. Pero, you know, these two teams are playing with pride. Of course, for Florida Blanca, laging nanonood sa kanila kahit sa live ng Pampanga PIO. Lagi nakatutok ang kanilang team owner and beloved mayor of Florida Blanca, Pampanga, Honorable Mayor Darwin Manalansan. And also for Bayung Masantol, lagi nakatutok. One of, if not the youngest mayor in the entire country, Mayor Tonton Bustos. So the two mayors laging nanonood, nakatutok sa live natin sa FB.
5 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. 25-14. 11-point lead for Florida Blanca. What a move! But what a rejection from Layug. Luis Serrano. Pinasa sa kanyang pinsa na si Aldrin Serrano. Aldrin for 3, that is too strong.
Medyo na nahimik yung scoring ni Aldrin Serrano this quarter. Good move.
Kian de la
Bitin lang.
Cruz. There was Manansala on the rebound. Nice bounce pass.
Good tap right there.
But Aldrin Serrano, libre-libre dito si Layug.
Akala ko dadaktak si Layug.
27-14. 13-point lead. The biggest lead of the ball game. Sorry, miss again for Uzi.
Manansalas everywhere for Florida Blanca. Rebound, takbo, steal. Ginagawa ni Kerwin lahat, ha?
Layug.
Clear push. Clear push right there by Francisco. Or no, it's a 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Actually, pareho kami ni Coach Vincent ba nakala-foul. And even Jean Layog thought it was a foul. Then nagulat sila lahat, oh. Na 3 seconds pala sinenyos na referee.
As you mentioned earlier, Kerwin Manansala has been everywhere for Florida Blanca. Of course, they are really fighting for their pride over here. If you are fighting with at the bottom seed of the bracket B, of course he doesn't want to lose and put another game tomorrow for Florida Blanca. That's why Kerwin Manansala has been all around for Coach Vincent Ban this time.
Look at that. And I actually pulled these numbers up. Sabi ko kasi, I want to sit dito sa game netong Florida Blanca. And I pulled up the numbers dito ni Jean Layog. He was actually the second leader in blocks sa Sinag Liga Born 2001 Cup, averaging almost 2 blocks a game, di ba? He was the top shot blocker for a time and then bumaba towards the end of the elimination round. So, itong mga blocks niya dito, he has been doing this. We have seen him do this talaga. Itong si Jin Layog. And there was a game where sinabi ko, he's the best shot blocker in the tournament. And look at him finish that alley-oop.
Look at that strong pass from Speedy Harvey to Alquero. Goes back to Layug. What a beautiful play coming from Florida Blanca. Showing why they are on the top seed of the bracket B.
Wow! Grabe, Layug again with a rejection. Parang may galit si Layug sa lahat eh.
Let's take a look back here.
Look at that. Naiwanan na siya. Help side defense. No way. Masushoot mo yan if Jin Layog is around. And look at his face. Akala niya foul. Dahil sa ingay ng mga drums, akala ng mga players yung pito foul. And again, another rejection from Layog.
Here, Lopez. But a sorry miss for... Oh, but there was a foul.
That's a tech. I think it's gonna be on Aldrin Serrano for faking a foul. I believe it's gonna be a tech on Aldrin Serrano. It is a technical on Aldrin Serrano. For faking a foul. Take a look at the replay. May bangga. There's a foul that he gave up. Look at how delayed the reaction is. Medyo delayed din kasi yung reaction eh. That's why the referees did not blow a whistle for second motion kay Sarmiento. They gave Serrano a technical dahil delayed reaction eh. If sinabay mo, which is a very hard thing to do na, if you want to embellish the contact, I don't want to say the word flop, but embellish is the right term for me. Embellish the contact na binigay sa'yo, timingan mo. May rule na for flopping eh. There's a warning or there's a straight technical na lang, and the referees clearly gave Serrano a technical immediately.
Kaya sinab muna sa dito ni Coach Vince Ekban. But still,
ayaw ni Coach Vince Ekban ng mga ganun eh.
A
He doesn't like
14-point
that.
lead para sa Florida Blanca, the biggest lead of the ball game. With 2 minutes and 54 seconds remaining as a holding foul called
I think it's gonna be on...
against Lopez.
Oh, it is Lopez. I thought it was gonna be on Alquero.
It's against Lopez.
Dalawa kasi sila nandoon eh. And sinasabi ni Jin Layog, sige, pero wag nyo nang hatakin. Aabang si Layog. That's really great defensive strategy right there from Coach Vince Ekban and Florida Blanca. You have a good shot blocker in Jin Layog. Ang gawin nyo na lang, pahirapan nyo, papunta ng basket, may mag-aabang na Jin Layog sa taas. And that's what Jin Layog was telling both Alquero and Lopez.
Let's take a look back here. Lopez. Nice pass to Layog. Back to Speedy Harvey.
Alley-oop.
Nice eye!
Good extra pass. Sayang lang for
sayang lang.
Alquero.
Ang ganda naman sana ng play ng Florida Blanca on that one. Kian de la Cruz.
Grabe. Professional
And look at the
scorer.
reaction.
Grabe. I mean, when Kian de la Cruz has the basketball, you don't know. As a defender, mahihilo ka kung anong gagawin niya. We compared him to Kobe Dalisay of Mapua Cardinals, di ba? Kasi nga, scorer talaga eh. Just like that, he just proved my point. Napakahirap nun. Yung runner through the middle, absorbing contact. That's a difficult shot to do, especially if you're a young guy.
And you mentioned then before, nung na-cover natin tong Bayong Masantol, that how Kian de la Cruz play that is how the King Cardinal, Kobe Dalisay plays. As we're back at 2 minutes and 16 seconds remaining. Lopez, nice bounce pass to Speedy Harvey. Sorry miss for Harvey Salvador in that one.
Scoreless pa rin si Speedy Harvey ngayon, ha?
Medyo malamig ang simula ni Speedy Harvey.
Look at that defense by Layog.
Speedy Harvey asked for it. 1 minute and 54 seconds remaining for our first half. Back to Glenn Gregorio. To Speedy Harvey once again. Lopez. It's a holding foul.
I think that's a sportsmanlike.
Sportsmanlike foul.
I think it is. The referees are waving. I think that's going to be
Against
unsportsmanlike.
Francisco.
And they're going to review it. Yung Coach Vince Ekman sinasabi, pinatid daw, nilabas daw yung paa. Let's take a look at this right here.
Oh.
Oh, sumabit. The question is dito, clearly, sumabit nga yung paa ni Yeng Francisco dun sa drive.
He took an extra step on that one. That's why.
Yung chinecheck nila kasi if in-extend ba ng pasadya or nagkasabitan lang ng paa.
But no, mas nauna, i-extend ni Francisco yung paa niya on that one.
Let's take a look.
Let's take a look
we're
first.
not the referees, di ba? We cannot judge it at that
But
point.
on that replay, that is what we saw. But of course,
The referees are extensively looking at it sa IRS. Taking a look at if in-extend ba nga pasadya or sumabit lang. They can upgrade or downgrade this, but there will be a foul. That's no question. Ang tanong lang if upgrade ba sa unsportsmanlike or hindi. And it is gonna be an unsportsmanlike foul. And look at the fans na Florida Blanca.
Number 25.
1 minute and 45 seconds. But it feels like we're at the final quarter of this ball game.
Quarter na eh. Second quarter pa lang, di ba?
And so
Fourth
ganito
quarter
ganito
na.
yung unang laro natin. Ganito din pala natin tatapusin tong araw na to. You
paano
can
pa-
see here, Yang Francisco, and sportsmanlike foul against him.
Paano pa kaya bukas yung dalawang do or die, di ba? Pwede pa ba dumagdag ng pangatlo dito? Itong Bayung Masantol?
At the miss for Harold Lopez.
We keep forgetting, di ba? Happy watching po sa mga taga Florida Blanca and Masantol, Pampanga po na nanonood ngayon sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page and Pampanga_PIO YouTube channel, di ba?
And of course, Florida Blancas.
Yes.
Speaking of Florida Blancas, we can see here, Councilor Darren Manalan, son of Florida Blanca, supporting tong kanyang ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca
Yes.
team. And of course, I'd like to give a shout out kung bakit merong Speedy Harvey Salvador, kung bakit merong star-studded players ang Florida Blanca this time. Of course, it's because of Coach J.R. De La Cruz of Hustle Rising Suns. 30-20, a 10-point lead, 1 minute and 45 seconds. And so, naririnig mo pa ba dito?
Naririnig pa naman. Ina-anticipate ko lang na mamayang fourth quarter, mas iingay pa to, lalo na pagdikit tong laban. But both of these teams are competing. Itong Bayong Masantol still trying to shake off the rust and still trying to find some answers dahil Kian De La Cruz is being thrown the entire defense. Parang yun yung gustong gawin ng Florida Blanca. Tumira na lahat, huwag lang si Kian De La Cruz.
Because when Kian De La Cruz tries to do a basket, it will always be a counted one. Speedy Harvey. Back to Gregorio. Serrano. What a move from Serrano.
Good drive.
Jumble on the basketball. Still
Look
no
at the
good
fight
back.
there by Alquero.
But Alquero, it's my time.
Volleyball, parang volleyball player eh, tapikan sa ere. And
Yeah.
Alquero nanalo dun.
Given the height and
Oo.
yung intensity ng talon dito ni Alquero. Kian De La Cruz.
Look at that.
Nice
Apat.
bounce pass.
Again, Layug with the rejection.
His third block of the ball game. Fourth.
Third or fourth. Basta marami. Yun na yun. Basta marami na.
We lost on that counting. Inbound for Masantol. With 5 seconds left on the shot clock. 1 minute and 3 on the game clock. Great D for the side. As shot clock violation, so there needed to be an inbound.
Tumigil lahat kasi maglaro doon. Si Gregorio, hindi niya narinig yung pito. Narinig niya yung buzzer pero hindi nila narinig yung pito na referee. May times kasi na tutunog yung buzzer but since possession na ng kalaban, pinapayagan nilang tumakbo. That time hindi narinig ni Gregorio yung pito. Tumatawa si Coach Vince Ekman kasi siya nakita niya na pumito na yung referee.
Back to Speedy Harvey.
Familiar play. Salvador to live pick and roll.
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul on the screener. Ito si Alquero na pituhan, giving down a back pick para dito kay Gregorio.
35 25 seconds remaining. Kian de la Cruz. Nice bounce pass. Back to de la Cruz. Once again, with that pass, there was the defenders of Florida Blanca.
Stepping. That time,
A violation against Glenn Gregorio.
Bayung Masantol needs to capitalize on those times na wala si Layug sa gitna. They have to make those layups kasi kapag na-mintis nila, kahit ma-offensive rebound nila, bigla nandun na lang yung Layug eh. Bigla na lang pupunta doon si Jin Layug. Or even si Alquero. Alquero, he might not block the shot but he bothers a lot of shots din.
Balik dito ang bola. Uzi. 3-point shot. That's too strong. Glenn Gregorio on the rebound against Kian de la Cruz.
Last shot time for Florida Blanca.
5 seconds.
What a
Speedy
crossover.
Harvey. Serrano. It could have been a good basket for Serrano, ending the first half of our ball game. 32-20 at the end of the first half. 12-point lead for Florida Blanca. As we take a look back over their second quarter highlights.
We started off dito sa second quarter with a Kian de la Cruz basket and one. And then nag-steamroll ng konti itong Bayung Masantol. But then, nabuhay itong si Kerwin Manansala and the other players of Florida Blanca. That was the beautiful jumper right there by Charles Uzi. And then this play right here. The big-to-big connection from Alquero to Jin Layug for the easy 2 points. That's why lamang nga ng 12 puntos dito ang Florida Blanca 32-20 at half. Kapit lang po mga kabalin, magbabalik tayo dito sa 2024 Delta Cup.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Pampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, PPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday, but also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya, kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament, hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
32-20 at 12-point lead for ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca kontra Bayung Masantol at the half dito. Kami pa rin po inyong makakasama, Enzo Galarosa and Penelope Wilhelmina, as we can see some of these halftime highlights. That beautiful alley-oop play high in the sky for Florida Blanca kanina. But para dito sa panig ng Bayung Masantol, they have to do a lot of things, especially figure out this puzzle that is named Jean Layug on the defensive end. Dahil nga nakakaraming huli na itong si Jean Layug in this ball game. Jean Layug already with 5 block shots in the first half. As we can see the leading scores dito, Pen.
Ito for Florida Blanca, Serrano with 7, Jin Layuk with 6, and Kerwin Manansala with 6. At para sa panig ng Masantol, De La Cruz with 7, another De La Cruz, Elef De La Cruz with 5, and Charles Uzi with 4 points. As we can see here, Kian De La Cruz, he was injured pa ha, nauntog pa siya at our first quarter. But he was able still to be one of the leading scorers para sa panig ng Masantol. That's why 32-20, as we can see here, Speedy Harvey Salvador, a former Hustle Rising Suns.
And one thing para dito sa Bayang Masantol, their three-point shooting has not yet clicked in this ball game.
A sideline inbound for Bayong Masantol, trying to keep up on the 12-point lead of Florida Blanca. What will they do here? Nag-reset yung ating scoreboard dito inside the BREN Convention Center.
Ganun kasi pag ang FD natin, di ba? Narinig ko naman sa sinulat pa niya.
Baka kasi daw magreklamo naman tayo.
Love natin yan si Direk Ramonito.
Ramonito, Roa.
Oo. Yun, ganun din siya kalab. Muntik na siya matamaan ng bola, di ba?
Sideline inbound for Florida Blanca. Lopez to Speedy Harvey. Shaki Lorena checks in. Back to Speedy Harvey. Great defensive. Best defensive plays ang pinapakita dito.
Terrible
ng Bayong
spacing.
Masantol.
No space.
2 seconds
spacing nila.
left.
Good attack there. Galing dito kay Ian Cunanan.
32-22. Balik 2-0 run. 9 minutes at 12. Shaki Lorena.
Bawi.
Powering that move.
Yun yung ginawa sa kanya kanina ni Cunanan. Binawian niya ngayon si Ian.
Nagsasagutan ng drives dito. Itong parehong kumunan. Nagsasagutan din itong mga drummers ng parehong kupunan inside the BREN Convention Center.
Look at Harvey Salvador just diving to the ground just to get that basketball.
That is one of the fundamentals na nakuha niya talaga to Coach J.R. De La Cruz. Now, of course, if you can recall, sa system ni Coach J.R., Hustle. That's why Hustle is the name of his team.
Good tap right there by Yeng. And
Another De La Cruz delivers for Bayong Masantol.
great job by LM De La Cruz shielding off. Ginamit niya yung katawan niya para ma-shield off yung defender. Hindi na siya mahabol.
Speedy Harvey. To Shaki Lorena. Back to Lopez. Where will he go to? 9 seconds left.
And again, he's
Lorena
doing
on
the same
attack.
thing.
De La Cruz, sorry miss. But there is a foul call against Kian De La Cruz.
Nang hinayang doon si LM De La Cruz sa layup niya. He did the same move. Shield off the defender pag lilayup siya. But, masyado siyang malalim that time. Kaya yung layup niya nag-mintis that time.
You know, if you are Kian De La Cruz, you have to limit your fouls. Isa ka sa inaasahan ni Coach Andre Lacap. 2 fouls already for Kian De La Cruz. Glenn Gregorio. Back to Shaki Lorena. That seems a good shot for Shaki Lorena.
Roll reversal. Normally si Orina ang drive. Tapos ang titira itong si Lopez. But that time si Lopez naman ang drive. And look at that aggressive move right here. from Yang Francisco, but the foul was before the shot.
Sa foul against Harold Lopez. As Aldrin Serrano checks in for Lopez. Yang Francisco is back at our second half. Kian de la Cruz.
Layug again! 6 blocks for him in this evening.
What a projection from Layug. Let's take a look back here. Kian de la Cruz. Clean block from Layug rather.
And sa sobrang ingay dito,
I believe so.
hindi na
There's a
narinig yung
whistle.
buzzer kasi yung shot clock dun sa end ng Bayung Masantol, biglang namatay. And actually, Coach Aldre Laca was signaling that to the referees na nawala nga yung shot clock nila.
But on the other end, we still have the
Oo.
shot clock.
Nagulat. Actually, yung Bayung Masantol nagulat, but their head coach was actually telling them to point to the referees din na tulungan siyang ituro na namatay yung shot clock nila.
Kasi ang hirap magkarinigan talaga dito ngayon sa
Oo.
BREN GUIAO Convention Center.
Pero, habang may lull tayo dito, Ben, I just want to greet a happy birthday tomorrow. Happy 60th birthday sa aking idol, Sir Arnolfo, Boss Arnel Fuentes. Happy 60th birthday, Boss Arnel. Love na love ka namin dito.
Namimiss ka na namin dito. Iba pag wala ka.
Oo, well,
Of course, it's his
nakausap
time
ko siya na
to celebrate his birthday.
And also, I think yung anak niyang babae,
Uuwi na. Babalik
uuwi
na ng Abu
Yes.
Dhabi, if I'm
Yeah,
not
I believe-
mistaken.
Basta ibang bansa. So, spend time with your family, di ba? Important na important yan.
3-point shot.
Big screen right there by Francisco.
Kian de la Cruz.
Look at that.
A miss. Sir de la Cruz. Orina.
The Layug effect. Nakatayo lang doon si Jin Layug, di ba? Napabother niya na agad titira.
But the possession stays on the offensive side with 15 seconds on the shot clock.
Oh, nagkaharangan yung dalawa. But nonetheless, Layug still finishes.
Nagrereklamo pa siya dun sa shot na yun.
Oo, sinasabi niya kasi kay Alquero na the play was written for me. Bakit ka nandun sa spot ko? Nagkaharangan silang dalawa. Buti na lang nakashoot yung basket.
One-on jumper.
Nagkakainitan na yung mga players dito. And they're going to review it. The referee is signaling a review right here.
At magre-review itong ating referees on what happened.
Good job by Jin Layug, already stepping in immediately. Take a look at this right here. Look at Harvey Salvador and Yang Francisco on the middle side of the screen. Kakatulakan silang dalawa. Then Francisco tries to step over Harvey while he's going up. Nagkasabitan ng paa. And look at Layug immediately. Paghihiwalay niya na yung dalawang players na yun. Para wala na altercation. Let's just play basketball, di ba?
Yang Francisco already got the unsportsmanlike
Unsportsmanlike
foul on our
kanina.
second quarter.
Oo. So,
And our
if may
referees are
infraction siya ngayon,
reviewing.
if meron siyang second infraction, regardless kung technical or disqualifying foul, he's gonna be out of the ball game na.
Pushing foul.
Pushing foul. So, para sa akin, that's the right call. Wala namang nangyari right after. Pinaghiwalay lang yung dalawa kasi nagka-entangle yung paa. Call the foul. Let's play basketball.
And basketball is all about physicality.
And
We expected that kind.
But the referees did warn also si Francisco na keep your elbow na wala sa uluhan ng kalaban mo, di ba? It's good defense that time by Francisco. Oh, they call a foul.
Against Layug.
Oo, and they're gonna review it again. They signal another review.
Binabantayan na kasi nila dito itong si Jin Layug.
And Layug is asking how many fouls does he have. Sabi nila 2. Let's take a look at this right here. Good defense by Francisco. And also, yung initial defender nito ni Jin Layug.
It's not the intention
Oo.
of Jin Layug.
Uzi and Francisco shut down. But yun, I think that's what they're investigating. Yung pagtama ng paa ni Jin Layug dun sa balikan ni Francisco. But I don't know if intentional ba na ipatama ni Layug yun. Kasi immediately nag-apologize siya kay Francisco. Napatama lang. But
Pero
our
na out
referee's
of balance
discretion
kasi
to.
siya. Tapos siya
Unsportsmanlike on Jean Layug. Much to the dismay of Coach Vince Ekman and Jean. Nag-swing kasi yung paa eh. Tumama sa balikat eh. Yan. Layug pleading his case but naipito na. It should be. The free throw shooter should be Francisco, not Kian de la Cruz. There you go. Kinorek ng mga referees natin.
what a third quarter. And so ganito natin sinimulan itong game 1 natin eh.
Oo.
Kaya so din pala natin tatapusin.
Totoo. Well, one thing dito para sa Bayung Masantol, they have to hit their free throws. The door is open for them to come back. Yun nga lang, 0 for 2.
Sorry, miss, for Yang Francisco.
And Coach Aldre Lacap couldn't do anything but just scratch his head in disbelief na hindi nila makapitalize yung mga opportunities na to.
Good thing for Coach Vince Ekman, hindi niya nilabas dito si Layu.
Oo. But look at that. Kasi pag nilabas niya, mabubutas bigla yung gitna nila. Mag-iiba naman yung defensive game plan nila. That time kita mo, nobody there to defend. But speaking of, nobody to defend. Alquero with a good pirouette move.
Well, I am so speechless on how Florida Blanca plays today. Kian de la Cruz, one-hand shot.
Look at
Too
Layug.
strong.
3 fouls in all. Still
Get on
sinasabayan
the
lang
rebound,
natira.
Speedy Harvey.
Good pass.
Oh! Alquero, back-to-back score. For
Labas.
Alquero.
Labas mo na ang binoculars mo, bata. Harvey Salvador with a beautiful no-look time papunta dito kay Alquero. Look at this. Behind the back to Alquero. If the finish is good, plus a foul.
5 minutes and 25 seconds.
There's no timeout. Why are both teams huddling? Nagkagulo parehong kupunan. There was no timeout. Biglang nag-huddle parehong team. Kompleto.
Beto, para kay Alquero.
Now there's a timeout.
5 minutes and 25 seconds, 44 to 28. Tama on the floor.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
We're still live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Live na live din ang ingay dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO. Two different drummers from two different teams. And look at here, the supporters of both teams for Florida Blanca and Masantol. Kian de la Cruz. Pinasa na dito ulit kay de la Cruz. Back to Francisco. Kian de la Cruz. Yan Francisco on the drive.
Again, Layug protecting the paint, pero that time, good extra pass by Uzi, and also that pick freed up the layup. Oh, good up and under right here by Serrano.
46 to 30, 16-point lead, the biggest lead of the ballgame for Florida Blanca. Our third quarter is still long, 4 minutes and 37 seconds remaining.
Foul before the shot was made. Di pa
7
penalty itong
seconds
Florida Blanca.
left on the shot clock. Sets to 14. Sideline inbound for Bayung Masantol. Oh, nice pass.
Good defense again by Layug, being a factor down low. The Layug effect. A Speedy Harvey. Grabe. Ibang klase yung bilis nito ni Harvey Salvador.
Kaya nga yun yung tawag mo sa kanya eh, Speedy
siyempre.
Harvey. So now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa kanyang third quarter report. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. The presence of Councilor Darren Malalansan gave the Florida Blanca a good play for tonight. As mentioned by Councilor Darren, all-out support daw ang binibigay nila sa kanilang players because they represent the city of Florida Blanca at ang tanging lagi niya lang daw sinasabi sa mga bata is to make wise decision. Kalmahan nyo lang at kung ano man ang maging resulta, manalo o matalo, we are still proud of your dedication at sa sipag sa paglalaro. Back to you, Enzo. And
Thank you so much, MJ, for that report. You know, Coach Darren Manalansan of Bayung Masantol, iba nga daw yung dala na motivation ito sa mga players ng Masantol.
Yes.
Win or lose, Councilor Darren Manalansan is very happy on how his guys perform. But of course, Enzo, hindi natatapos nga eh. Itong basketball game natin in just 2 quarters and on the first half. Why, until you hear the final beat of the buzzer, malalaman natin kung magkakaroon ba tayo ng 3 games tomorrow.
One thing para dito sa Florida Blanca, they always play with pride. They always have their heads up. But for Bayung Masantol, they're trying their best to cut the lead down. But yun nga lang, they're not capitalizing. They're playing good defense at times. But pagdating sa offensive end, hindi nila mashoot yung mga layups nila. Free throws nila, wala. Just like that, 0 for 2. So they just can't capitalize on these opportunities. Kaya sila down by 18 points right now.
Aldrin Serrano, he has 12 seconds on the shot clock. Almost a loose drive for Serrano.
I don't even know how he got that in. I know I'm supposed to analyze, but I don't know. Nag-wonder ako how he was able to put that up and in. What a shot there by Aldrin Serrano.
50 to 30. 20-point lead for Florida Blanca, the biggest lead of the ball game.
Again, Layug. 7 blocks now for Jean Layug. Tying his Sinag Liga at sa block high dito. And Harvey Salvador with emphasis. Inapiran si Layug dun. But that time, knockout play ang ginawa nila habang naghahanap pa si Jean Layug ng babantayan. Naka-knockout play agad itong Bayong Masantol.
Here's Speedy Harvey.
Look at
Beautiful
Kerwin.
drive. Kerwin! Missed another putback. Pero yung second putback niya, sinigurado niya.
Second jump dito ni Kerwin Manansala. Really, second to none. Mahirap yun eh. Pagkatalon mo, pagbagsak mo, aangat ka agad. That's a skill. A unique skill that not a lot of players have.
What a rebound against 3. Kian De La Cruz. What a nice pass.
Again, the Layug effect. Hindi sila makatira sa loob.
In and out for Kian De La Cruz. Ang ganda ng depensa ng Florida Blanca. Finally, Orina gets the ball.
Parang may lamok sa court eh. Lahat na lang gustong paluin ni Harvey Salvador. Ay, ni Jean Layug eh. Parang alam mo, may lamok lahat ng player eh.
Speedy Harvey.
Clear foul. Like I said, you have 2 options when you're guarding Harvey Salvador. Uunahan mo sa unahan mo, hulaan mo kung saan siya pupunta para maunahan mo siya doon, or i-foul mo na lang siya.
Pero minsan natin kasi talaga, di ba, ang hirap basahin kung saan pupunta tong si Speedy Harvey.
Well, Speedy Harvey Salvador, we gave him the Speedy Harvey nickname. I'm not saying he's that exact player, but yung bilis niya, the way he drives, reminds me of Bacolor Pampanga Pride, the Blur Jason Castro. And he wears number 17. Tingin ko baka yun yung idol neto ni Harvey Salvador eh.
As that first throw is no good.
Quick substitution here for Coach Vince Ekban. Salvador uupo muna. Papasok itong si Luis Serrano.
53 to 32. 21-point lead, the biggest lead of the ball game.
Grabe, no Layug, no problem. Andun pa pala yung Manansala.
Bumalik si Kerwin Manansala for the fourth quarter. Shaki Lorina. That is spot.
Turo na lang sa bench eh.
His spot.
Alam na lang ito ni Shaq Orina eh.
24-point lead. The biggest lead of the ballgame for Florida Blanca. There's a whistle. Buti naririnig pa natin dito yung whistle.
Ako tumitingin na lang sa kamay na referee kung foul o hindi. Look at this 3-point shot dito ni Shaq Orina.
The first throw is good for Carl Soriano. One out of two for Soriano.
Saan nang galing si Orina dun?
Sa gilid.
Nagulat ako
Nilipat niya yun. One-hand floater, no good. To the side of Florida Blanca. Nice stop by Shaki Lorina.
Clear push there. Frustration from Gian de la Cruz.
That is Kian's third foul for this ball game.
That's why uupo muna siya, and you can see frustrated ngayong araw si Gian de la Cruz, and give credit to the defense neto Florida Blanca. Talagang marked man siya. Again, you're one of the top scorers of the entire league. Imposibleng wala kang target sa likod mo.
There you have it, Luis Serrano knocks the first free throw after that foul ni Kian de la Cruz. To 33, 25-point lead.
Look at that. Labas scorer and shooter. Pasok isang scorer and shooter. Upo si Aldrin and tsaka si Shaq. Papasok si Gregorio at tsaka si Lopez.
No problem for Coach Vince Ekpan. I have a lot of players in the bench who still can perform.
Oh, good jumper there by MC Sarmiento.
Sabi mo kanina, bakit parang may lamok sa loob ng BREN? Parang halos lahat ng player ng Florida Blanca ang gusto.
Tinatalon eh. Pero good box out there by MC Sarmiento.
Oh, 20 seconds left for our third
Alley-oop.
quarter.
Great pass right there and great finish. Galing dito kay Charles Uzi.
15 seconds. There's a foul.
Inigo Onana, napituhan. Pushing itong si Harold Lopez.
6.4 seconds left for our third quarter. Wala na akong masabi sa pinapakita na itong Florida Blanca. No, we know that they're a tough team, but they're proving right now to every Kabalen inside the BREN GUIAO and to all the Kabalen watching through our social media platform.
Nabibingay na rin ata to si Harold Lopez eh. Tinakpan niya tenga niya pagkatapos niya mag-free throw.
3-point shot! That goes short for Bayung Masantol.
Look at this. And good job there from the other players dito na Florida Blanca. Pinaghiwalay na lang yung dalawa. And now the fans are into this game na Kunanan and Lopez nagkainitan ng konti after the buzzer. But we can see dito third quarter highlights natin. That layup kanina right here. Shaq Orina come alive here in the third period. What a quarter para dito sa Florida Blanca once again. But those were the rare easy baskets para sa panig ng Bayung Masantol. And again, Shaq Orina.
That is his spot, Enzo. Makes this ballgame 23-point lead for Florida Blanca, entering the fourth and final quarter of the ballgame, 60-37.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Entering the fourth and final quarter of the ballgame with 23-point lead for Florida Blanca. All out for Coach Vince Icban. It's an early whistle.
Sa ingay dito, hindi na nagkarindigan ng pito. That could have been a great play, di ba? Alley-oop play off the inbound, yung inbounder yung tumakbo to the basket. Yun yung minsan yung most dangerous part when you're trying to defend a sideline inbound. The inbounder will be the most dangerous man.
As Luis Serrano.
Good drop pass.
The first appearance of John Tayag to this ball game. .4 lead now.
Wala pa rin for Sarmiento, and again, bodies falling down the floor.
Glenn Gregorio on the rebound. Back to Luis Serrano, to Glenn Gregorio. Harold Lopez rather. What a basket for Harold Lopez. Take a look back here. Lopez.
Open
Jumper.
look eh. Look at that. Labas pa dila ni
But
Lopez.
that reaction from Harold Lopez. Of course, the reaction of the fans of Florida Blanca. Getting the much-needed pressure for Bayung Masantol. It quite worked for the drummers of Masantol. 9 minutes and 17 seconds, 64-37. 4-0 run.
What defense being shown here by Florida Blanca. Everything's contested, but that time foul talaga yun para dito kay John Tayag.
He knew it. Just 55 seconds passed by our fourth and final quarter. There's substitution for Bayong Masantol. Charles Musi checks in.
Again, the free throw shooting dito ng Bayong Masantol.
Look at the drummers for Bayong Masantol.
Good steal. Counter steal by Serrano. Ay, na-counter steal na naman.
There's a whistle. 65-38 with 8 minutes and 50 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter of the ball game.
Tayag might have rolled his ankle a little bit. He's hobbling back to the bench. Papasok ulit itong si Jean Layug na kanina pang pinoproblema ng Bayong Masantol. Dahil nga 7 block shots na for Jean Layug.
Nabilang mo na pala ulit yun, Enzo, no? This could be a free throw counted for LM De La Cruz. 1 out of 2 for De La Cruz. All-out players for Coach Vince Icban. Luis Serrano working with Harold Lopez together with Kerwin Manansala, Jean Layug, and Glenn Gregorio. Ooh, nice bounce pass. But kay Kerwin Manansala. Checking the heat. Back pass to Lopez. Lopez on the drive. Bounce pass to Jean Layug. And Jean Layug comes off the center.
Great execution of the pick and roll. And good pocket pass galing dito kay Harold Lopez. Right in the bread basket dito ni Layug. Oh, way downtown right here for Kian De La Cruz. First three-point make since the first quarter.
And it's very rare for Kian De La Cruz, Enzo. We knew that this guy...
Ginulat niya eh. Ang layo ng tira niya eh.
Balik kay Luis Serrano. Oh, what a fast break from Luis Serrano. Grabe. 7 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Jumper goes too strong. The ball
Huli.
stays. Steal for Luis Serrano.
Pare, yung,
Miss pass for Serrano. Luckily for the side of Florida Blanca.
yung pasa na yun ni Luis Serrano, dalawa kayo tumatakbo, sino na lang kumuha. kaya sinabi yun ni Coach Ikban, ni Coach Vince Ikban eh, pato mo to someone, not just a place, di ba? Binato niya sa gitna ng dalawa eh.
7 minutes and 21 seconds remaining as another basket for Jean Layug.
Technical, who got the check? Is it on Layug? Is it on Jin? If this is on Jin, he's out of the court. He's going to be thrown out if siya yung nabigyan ng tech. Let's not forget may infraction na siya na unsportsmanlike kanina.
Technical foul on number 15, Luis Serrano for taunting.
Aldrin. Luis Serrano.
It's on Luis Serrano. Nag-react si Layug, akala niya siya nung una. Kasi lahat sila, they all pulled out the goggles pagka-shoot. Nag-celebrate silang lahat. Yung buong 5 on the floor na Florida Blanca all celebrated after the 3-point shot was made. And pagkapito ng referee, si Layug yung unang-una nag-react. So, that's, you know, a dodge bullet if you're Jin Layug kung akala mo ikaw. Akala ko rin siya kasi siya yung nag-react dun eh. I was waiting who's the tech on. That time, ito si Kian De La Cruz was just, wala na siya mapuntahan, wala siya mapasahan. Well defended by Harold Lopez. Gumawa na lang ng paraan just to get to the free throw line. That's how you know you're a pure scorer. You're a great scorer, a high-level scorer. Kaya mong pumunta sa free throw line. But, mintis yung unang free throw.
28-point lead for the side of Florida Blanca. Makes it 27. After the free throw shot of Kian De La Cruz. Libreng-libre. Pero hindi nakabuelo doon si Layug. Balik ang bola kay Harold Lopez.
Mataas yung pasa.
Nakuha pa dito, no? Almost a miss.
Good move sana yun for Manansala.
Balik ang bola kay Layug. 30 on the shot clock. And there you have it, Luis Serrano. Sabi mo malayo, but no problem for Luis Serrano.
That time nag-celebrate siya sa bench na nila. Hindi na siya tumingin sa kahit sinong player.
73-43, 30-point lead, the biggest lead of the ball game for Florida Blanca.
Good fadeaway jumper right there by Charles Uzi. Ala Kobe Bryant yung fadeaway na yun ah.
6 minutes and 12 seconds is still long, but now let's send it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa kanyang fourth quarter report. MJ, go ahead.
Thank you, Pen. Aldrin Serrano contributed 9 points for tonight. Alam nyo, sabi ni Aldrin, wala daw siyang experience pa na liga. Itong Delta Cup daw ang first league na sinalihan niya. The hustle and dedication of this 20-year-old guy made his team in the leading now and his city proud. 4 games na daw siya naging best player sa elimination round, kaya pala yung mindset niya for tonight is to give his 101%. Back to you, Enzo and Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. Enzo, nakita ko nagulat ka sa report na yun ni MJ. Aldrin Serrano,
I'm not calling
a veteran
Serrano.
player.
I'm not calling Serrano a liar, but all I'm saying is, first time mo pa lang, tapos ganyan ka na agaling maglaro.
He seems
Saan
like,
saan ka
it seems like
nakatagod?
he's a very veteran player.
Oo, saan ka nakatago, di ba? Kerwin Manansala, hobbling back to the bench, kinailangan sa tulungan, nagka-cramps na siya. You know, but talking about going back to Serrano, in nga ito MJ's report, 4 na beses siya nag-best player. Tapos first league niya to, saan siya nagtatago, di ba? Saan siya nagtatago all this time?
Another rebound for Jin Layug.
Good up fake. O kanya pa rin. Gregorio just hustling for that basketball.
One hand shot that is short. Minutes and 25 seconds remaining. This is way too long. That is too strong. Rebound by Luis Serrano.
Grabe. That's how you know na nasa utak mo na yung depensa. Kahit open ka, nababother ka pa rin because kanina pa kayo sinashutdown dito na Florida Blanca. Even the open shots look difficult for Bayung Masantol. Look at the physicality from these teams.
Layug. Almost a good jumper for Layug. We're now down to the half of the 10 minutes for this final quarter.
Oh, look at Jin bringing down the ball.
2 players from Florida Blanca is down.
So look at that. Players are bumping each other. Referees allowing a lot of contact here. Nagkakapisikalan na parehong koponan dito.
This is way too long. 4 minutes and 44 seconds. 73 to 45. They just needed to stop here. The unstoppable Layug tonight. It's 18 seconds left for the shot clock. For Florida Blanca. It's a whistle. Once again.
Holding foul. Look at this, some color developing dito na naman. Kakapasok pa lang na ito ni Alin Sunga ulit, ha? And they're talking to the referees dito to clear up the call. So Layug will shoot too kasi nga hinawakan siya. Pero nakalusot pa rin siya. Hinahaltak na siya, nakalusot pa rin si Jin.
So he's unstoppable for tonight.
This is my question. Nung nag-shoot ba kayo ng Hustle Rising Suns? Was he there?
Wala.
Wow, oh man.
Si
Harvey.
Shan.
Okay. Lorico.
And you know what? Sean Lorico is now the team captain for 19
Yes.
under Hustle Rising Sun.
19 under yun. Okay. And lagpas 19 na kasi ito siya.
Oh, 23 and 19 under.
Okay.
But Jean Layug was not there. (74 to 45).
Whichever team picks up Jean Layug, di ba? Hasselman or any other team, mali mo, Louis
I was
Juan
able
or
to cover
Pampanga.
their last game on the board 2001.
Di ba? Whoever picks him up will be super happy with Jean Layug, di ba?
Oh, the connection
titira
of the
pa ng
former
tres.
teammate. It's not the usual shot of Jean Layug.
I'm looking at the name, Jean Layug ang player. Bakit parang yung laro niya ngayon, parang Japet Aguilar? Ay, parang ganun laruan ni Jean Layug ngayon. Tumitira ng tres, di depensa. Ay, playing like Japet Aguilar itong si Jean Layug. Dunk na lang ni Japet Aguilar ang kulang kay Jean
Alcaro
Layug.
for the rebound.
Akala ko yun kasi mag-isa lang siya. Akala ko dadaktakin.
That's 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. It alarms pa Coach Vince Ekban, given the big point lead of Florida Blanca.
Don't
3
let
minutes and 34 seconds remaining. 77 to 47. Timeout on the floor.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalangin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024. Intermunicipality and City Tournament hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Going back at the 3 minutes and 32 seconds of our ball game. 77 to 47. 30-point lead for Coach Vince Ekban.
Sabi ni Alcaro, ano naman patirahin nyo ng tres dito? Hindi nabigay sa kanya, pumunta na lang siya para mag-set ng screen.
Jumper! It's still good!
Kakalaro pa lang yan ni Kurt
Take a
Reyes,
look at the skids.
Sa mga bata. Ay, nako, the TikTok era talaga.
Sinasabayan nila yung rhythm ng drummers.
Oo. Yan na, the TikTok effect na yan. Yun, oh. Layo nun, ah.
For Speedy Harvey. Can we now call this a garbage time?
Dumuti foul
For
na lang to si
Bayong
Lopez.
Masantol.
Hindi. Coach Vince Igban now empties his bench na. Upo na yung mga 5 niya. And now he puts in all the others. Grabe, what an effort. A statement made from Florida Blanca. Number 1 team in the entire league. 8-1, undefeated. 8 straight victories in the elimination round. Now make it 9 consecutive victories para dito sa Florida Blanca.
Natatawa ko.
Bakit?
Nagreklamo din siya direkramo dito.
Bakit?
Nabibigyan na daw siya. First time, ha? Nanaka yung na-floor director kasi nakita ko yung mukha niya. Naiinis.
Naiinis siya.
2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. A garbage time for Florida Blanca and Coach Vince Igban.
Statement made right here for Florida Blanca. Move. 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
But Glenn Gregorio remains inside.
Tsaka si Orina.
Shakil. That's too strong. Goes off to the center.
Lahat tata ng plays ni Coach Vince Igban nagamit eh.
Rebound.
And look at the bench of Florida Blanca celebrating already. And yet si Coach Vince Igban seryoso pa rin.
Glenn Gregorio.
Look at them, they're just wasting away the time right now. They know they've already booked their ticket papunta ng quarterfinals round 2. 9 consecutive victories, Pen, ha? 9 consecutive victories. They dropped their first game dito and then sunod-sunod na 8 straight, and this is going to be their 9th straight victory sa Delta Cup. And then, there you go. Igban's now smiling. Humingiti na si Vince Igban.
1 minute and 35 seconds left. You know, quite
Tinutukan lang ng camera, biglang di na ngumiti, ah.
quite a good team for Delta Cup, headed by Coach Patrick Vince Igban.
I like the fact that Florida Blanca uubusin yung shot clock, titira sila at the final second. Waste away precious seconds, di ba? Right here, babagalan nila ulit. Di nila mamadaliin. Lamang na lamang sila eh.
And look at that. Look at the bench of Florida Blanca celebrating.
Grabe. What a team this is, itong Florida Blanca.
You know, I'm not surprised if this team goes to the championship game. I will not be surprised.
Actually, we might not know, di ba? It all depends on the quarterfinals round 2. Kasi
They're
pag
going
nakadiretso sila,
to face
knockout yun.
another bracket.
Oo.
Magkakaroon ng face-off.
Salitan yun eh.
Crossover.
Number 4. Kasi they're the number 1 team, so number 4 ng bracket A yung mga kalaban nila. What will happen there is, magna-knockout sila and then magra-round robin pagdating na semifinals round. I would love to see this team face off against Apalit. I love it, di ba?
That's exactly what I am telling about kanina.
And also, the top seed ng Group A.
Angeles City Red
Warriors,
Warriors.
di ba? Magandang matchup yan. But ito na, Bayong Masantol has already waved the white flag. Let's not forget to thank Bayong Masantol for this tournament. Thank you so much po, Bayong Masantol, Coach Aldrey Rakap, Coach Raf Bustos, Coach Joshua Dizon, Coach Nico Ocampo, Coach Paulo Sigua, and of course, Mayor Tonton Bustos of Masantol, Pampanga, and the rest of the players that participated dito. Thank you so much for participating in this tournament. But this moment belongs to Florida Blanca, ang ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca. What a ball game, and look at them celebrate in mid-court. Dominant pa rin dito itong Florida Blanca team sa ating liga. And they now advance to the quarterfinals round 2, and that is our final score, 81-48. What a dominant victory nga para dito sa Florida Blanca. At ngayon kasama ko na ang ating best player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Jin Layuk, 12 points and 7 blocks. Jin, ulitin ko 7 blocks. Sinagliga Asha, high mo sa blocks? 7. Dito 7 blocks ulit. Ano nangyari at bigla ka na lang ginanahan bigla sa depensa? Kasi nung simula mo medyo parang nangangapa ka pa. What happened in the game?
Siguro kasi di rin ako nagpo-practice minsan. Kaya din makikita sa condition din. Tsaka nag-double effort kami sa practice. Bumawi kami.
Bawing-bawi nga, kita mo. Grabe yung pagkapanalo nyo dito. Ngayon naman, Gina, nasa quarterfinals, round 2 kayo. Ano pa bang mga kailangan ninyong Florida Blanca team i-improve pa para tuloy-tuloy na to hanggang sa makaabot kayo at maging champion kasi yun naman talaga ang goal nyo, di ba? Ano mga kailangan nyo pang
Kailangan po namin gawin. Double effort pa. Wala sa amin yung panalo ngayon. Kailangan pa bumukbok sa practice. Yun lang.
Well, Gin, ito, bibigyan na kita ng shoutout habang kinukulit ka ng mga teammates mo. Go ahead, give your shoutouts, your greetings, and syempre, lalong-lalo na sa mga sumusubaybay sa inyo from Florida Blanca.
Shoutout po kay Mayor Darwin at Council Darren Manalansan, tsaka sa mga councilor po sa amin sa Florida Blanca. Tsaka po yung Hassel Pam po, tsaka po yung magulang ko po, magulang po ng girlfriend ko, tsaka po yung girlfriend ko nanonood nandun. Tsaka sa mga teammates ko po, tsaka Florida Blanca. Yun lang po.
Kaya pala inspired na inspired. Once again, that is our best player of the game dito, Gin Layug. Parang Japet Aguilar ang laruan mo ngayon, Gin. Congratulations. Go ahead, enjoy this moment with your team. Diyan na po, magtatapos ang ating 4th and final game dito sa ating Delta Cup Quarterfinals 1. But syempre po, mga kabalin, meron pa tayong laro bukas. It's do or die Sunday. Ang Minalin All-Stars kontra United Tomasan Ballers. And for the final game, it's I Love San Simon kontra Ing Bayung Mexico. Bukas po yan for the final 2 seeds ng quarterfinals round 2. But dyan na po magtatapos ang ating laro for Penelope Wilhelmina, MJ Raimundo, and on behalf of Direk Tomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Tanan, Direk Billy Ray De Leon, Direk Monchito, Roa, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. This has been your 2024 Delta Cup, and we are saying goodbye and good night.